This video covers section 4.4, solving direct translation, geometry, and uniform motion problems using systems of linear equations. Objective 1, model and solve direct translation problems. The phrase direct translation refers to taking phrases and writing mathematical symbols related or representing those phrases. The first phrase says the sum of two numbers is 104. The sum has a direct translation to addition. So x and y are our two numbers. So we represent their sum by x plus y is 104. Now the second phrase says the second number is 25 less than twice the first number. That has a direct translation of, well, if we call the second number y, that is equal to 25 less than twice the first number. 25 less than is a minus 25. 25 less than twice the first number. So we have directly translated these two statements into a system of two equations in two unknowns. X plus y is 104, and y is equal to 2x minus 25. The first one says the sum of our two numbers is 104, and the second one says the second number is 25 less than twice the first number. Since the second equation tells us what y is, we will solve by substitution. The first equation says x plus y is 104, and we know that y is 2x minus 25. So our equation says x plus 2x minus 25 is 104. We solve this by adding the x to the 2x, which gives us 3x. Minus 25 is 104. We get rid of the negative 25 by adding 25 to both sides. And that gives us 129. 3x is 129, or we divide both sides by 3. And we get x is equal to 43. So we called x the first number. And that's 43. And we called y the second number. And we knew that their sum was 104, or the second number was 25 less than twice the first. I think it's a little bit easier to plug this into x plus y is 104, or 43 plus y is 104. Subtracting 43, we get y is 61. I would like to check that in the other equation as well. That should say that y is 2x minus 25, y being 61, x being 43. And it works out. So the first number is 43, and the second number is 61. The next problem is for you to practice. I encourage you to press pause on your video, set the two equations up, and solve, and come back when you're ready to see the solution worked out. Now that you have had a chance to work this out on your own, I'll work this out for you. The sum of two numbers is 38. So x and y are the two numbers. Their sum is 38, or x plus y is 38. Their difference is 22. And their difference is subtraction. X minus y is 22. So their sum is 38. Their difference is 22. So we put these two equations together. X plus y is 38, and x minus y is 22. There is the two equations and two unknowns. And because of the plus y and the minus y, we're going to solve this one by elimination. Add our two equations together. And when we do that, we have x plus x is 2x. Y plus negative y is 0. And 38 plus 22 is 60. Dividing both sides by 2 gives us x is equal to 30. So one of the numbers is 30 and the other number, y, we either plug it back into x plus y is 38 or x minus y is 22. If x is 30, we can subtract 30 from both sides and get y is equal to 8. Or if we set x equal to 30, we can subtract 30 from both sides and get negative 8, or the opposite of y is negative 8, giving us y is equal to 8. So one number is 30 and the other number is 8. Their sum is 38 and their difference is 22. This concludes the video for section 4.4, solving direct translation geometry and uniform motion problems using systems of linear equations. Objective 1, model and solve direct translation problems.